funny, make him do a backflip into the water. What's up? This race, please. Oh yeah. Don't think I'm the person to have, because I will start doing Minecraft videos soon. Don't think I'm the person to just have a derpy skin. That just somehow got there. I don't even know how. Yes, it is weird, but I don't know how it got there. Someone must have hacked it. I'm hacked. No. Please. I just like doing backflips for some reason. But, anywho, what's up, my fellow streeters? Oh, what? He locked my birdie up. Birdie! I'm coming. Birdie! I don't care about this. I really like it. Get out of there! I want my birdie. Birdie, 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 birdie. Get away. Get away and get away. Get away. Come on. Hey. Oh, okay. No, move. Nobody wants you. Get away. Stay away. Stay away. No. Stop chasing me. I don't like you. Oh, I thought it was supposed to go in here. Treasure! Dang, that's a lot. Well, not really, but at first I only have 10. Now it goes up to 10. Get away! Get away, you stupid bats! Stay away and get away! Move! No! Light! Ha ha ha, you guys can't stand the light. Ha ha ha. You guys... Oh, wait. Let me say, I'm not talking about you guys, I'm talking about the stupid bats that were chasing me. Okay. I get it. Why must you call me right now? I'm trying to go to my loft room. Shut up. Shut up, woman. Shut your face up. I really want to smash your face in. But my journey always gotta be for you. Oh my freaking god. Shut up. Shut up. I really don't understand why Link never even tried to marry her. And let me go. Move. Stay away. Dang. Hey, someone took my birdie. Wow. Birdie. Yeah. It's okay, birdie. It's okay. I just came here with the sword so I can cook you. Wait, what? No, I'm just kidding. I want to ride you at the wedding ceremony. You look much more cuter in that locker when I was married.